To improve Zopa login, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection and the latest version of your web browser. This will help prevent any technical issues that may hinder your login process. Next, verify that your login credentials are correct, including your username and password. Double-check that your caps lock is turned off, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you are still having trouble, try resetting your password by clicking on the Forgot Password link on the Zopa login page. Another key step is to enable two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. It is also essential to keep your browser and operating system up to date, as outdated software can leave you vulnerable to security risks. Additionally, consider using a password manager to generate and store unique, complex passwords for all your accounts, including Zopa. To further improve your Zopa login experience, make sure to clear your browser cache and cookies regularly. This will help remove any stored information that may be causing issues with your login. Finally, if you continue to experience difficulties with your Zopa login, contact Zopa customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot any issues and provide guidance on how to resolve them. By following these steps, you can improve your Zopa login experience, enhance the security of your account, and ensure a smoother, more efficient login process. Remember to stay vigilant and keep your account information up to date to prevent any potential issues.